Replacing windows in your Dallas home is a significant investment that can enhance curb appeal, increase energy efficiency, and improve comfort. However, many homeowners make costly mistakes during the window replacement process. To help you get the best results, we've outlined the most common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of window for their home's needs. Not all windows are created equal, and factors like climate, home architecture, and personal preference should guide your choice. In Dallas, where temperatures can soar in the summer and occasionally dip in winter, energy-efficient windows with proper insulation and UV protection are crucial. Look for low-E glass, double or triple pane options, and gas-filled designs to maximize efficiency. Prioritizing price over quality. While budget is always a concern, opting for the cheapest windows can lead to higher long-term costs. Low-quality materials may not withstand Dallas's harsh weather conditions, leading to frequent replacements, drafts, and higher energy bills. Instead, consider high-quality windows from reputable brands that offer durability, efficiency, and warranties. A slightly higher upfront investment can save you money in the long run. Ignoring energy efficiency rating. Texas summers can be brutal, and inefficient windows can significantly increase cooling costs. Many homeowners fail to check energy efficiency ratings before purchasing new windows. Look for the Energy Star label and check ratings like the U factor for insulation and the solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC) to ensure your windows help keep your home cool in summer and warm in winter. DIY installation instead of professional help. Window replacement may seem like a simple DIY project, but improper installation can lead to air leaks, water damage, and reduced efficiency. A poorly installed window may also void manufacturer warranties. Hiring a professional window replacement company in Dallas ensures proper sealing, insulation, and alignment. Always check reviews, ask for references, and ensure the company has the necessary licenses and insurance before hiring. Failing to consider local weather conditions. Dallas experiences extreme weather fluctuations, including intense heat, storms, and occasional cold snaps. Some homeowners choose windows without considering these climate factors. Vinyl and fiberglass frames often perform better in fluctuating temperatures compared to aluminum, which can conduct heat. Additionally, impact-resistant or storm-rated windows can offer extra protection against severe weather events. Not factoring in maintenance needs. Different window materials require varying levels of maintenance. Some homeowners opt for wood windows for their classic aesthetic but later realize they require frequent painting and sealing. Vinyl or fiberglass windows are more durable and require little maintenance, making them a better option for many Dallas homeowners who prefer low upkeep. Overlooking aesthetics and home value. While functionality is crucial, aesthetics also play a role in your home's appeal and resale value. Mismatched or inappropriate window styles can detract from your home's appearance. Consider windows that complement your home's architectural style and improve its overall look. Modern, energy-efficient windows can also increase property value, making them a smart investment for resale purposes. Ignoring warranty and service agreements. A common mistake homeowners make is not reviewing warranty details. Some window manufacturers offer limited warranties that may not cover issues like improper installation or weather damage. Ensure you understand both the product and installation warranties. A good window company will provide clear warranty coverage, ensuring peace of mind if something goes wrong. Neglecting proper measurements. Even the highest quality windows won't perform well if they don't fit correctly. Some homeowners or inexperienced installers fail to take accurate measurements, leading to costly resizing or inefficient sealing. Professional installers ensure precise measurements, eliminating gaps, drafts, and poor fits. Not checking local building codes and WA regulations. Many Dallas neighborhoods have specific guidelines regarding window replacements. Failing to check local building codes or homeowners association (WA) regulations can result in fines or having to redo the installation. Always verify requirements before purchasing or installing windows to avoid unnecessary issues. Conclusion. Avoiding these common mistakes can help Dallas homeowners enjoy a smooth and successful window replacement project. Investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows, hiring professionals, and considering factors like local climate and aesthetics will ensure long-term benefits. Take your time to research, plan carefully, and choose the right windows for your home to maximize comfort, efficiency, and value.